Every winter, 79-year-old DK Bansal deals with the double whammy. Not only does he battle the smog, he has no choice but to breathe the toxic emissions from the Okhla waste-to-energy plant. The pollution problem is so bad that Bansal's home has 2 air purifiers running 24/7. Yet the air quality within remains above 230.
I, as an individual, have been suffering. When I visited the doctor said that your lung capacity has been reduced by almost 50% by now. And he has prescribed me that you should take inhaler daily. And whenever you get a cough, you have to start taking the medicine.
This plant, once touted as a solution to the Okhla landfill problem, has turned into a nightmare, with several environmental bodies fining it for violating regulations.
If any particular plant, be it the Okhla waste to energy plant or the one in Bhavana, is flouting norms, we would be the first to say that, be it the NGT or be it even the Pollution Control Board, the CPCB, please take action as per due process and due law.
5 elections done, 4 deadlines missed, yet these 3 landfills remain. These towering heaps of garbage cast an ominous shadow over nearby neighborhoods, as AAP and BJP play politics over health.
The tendency that we have seen of BJP, that when an opposition party forms the government, do everything to make sure that they are not able to govern. They have not fully succeeded. A lot of stuff is already happening in MCD. For the first time in the history of MCD, we are talking more than 50 years, all sanitation workers are getting their salaries on the 1st of every month or before that. Even on the landfill, the largest story is that less than half of the landfills are left. The progress has been substantial.
जो 2 साल एमसीडी में आए हुए उनको निकल गए हैं, तो इसमें जिस तरह की योजना वो लेकर के आए थे, उससे तो अब तक ये पहाड़ रेज टू ग्राउंड हो जाना चाहिए था. लेकिन इन 2 सालों में जब स्टैंडिंग कमेटी नहीं बनी एमसीडी की, जब हाउस ही नहीं चला एक दिन, वो लोग संभाल ही नहीं पाए एमसीडी को, तो ऐसे में इन इश्यूज को तरफ तो उनका ध्यान ही नहीं गया. इसलिए वो लैंडफिल साइड तो उस समय एमसीडी में इलेक्शन जीतने का एक मुद्दा बनाया उन्होंने, जो आज वहीं का पड़ा है.
55-year-old Chaudhry Azad has been living in Vishwakarma Colony since 1996. Azad works for an NGO and plans to file a case before the National Green Tribunal against the Okhla garbage dump. Meanwhile, he has these tips for the government.
आप इनके बजट का एनालिसिस कीजिए, तो इनका हजारों करोड़ रुपए बजट निकल जाएगा. उसका 100 करोड़ रुपए आप सेग्रीगेशन पे लगा देंगे. मतलब ये 900 करोड़ का क्या होगा फिर? वो ट्रक वाले का है, वो फर्जी एम्प्लॉय का है, इसलिए नहीं हो रहा है ये सेग्रीगेशन. आप इसका ऑडिट जब करना पड़ेगा.
With the assembly polls around the corner, Delhi's 2 principal parties have blamed each other for the garbage mess. Behind me is the Okhla landfill, which has been here since 1996. Several successive governments have promised to remove this landfill, yet they have all failed. AAP and the BJP continue to trade blame. The AAP says that the BJP's 15 years of mismanagement in the MCD is behind this landfill still being here, while the BJP says that the AAP made false promises to come to power, and that this promise to remove the landfill by 2024 was just a jumla. While this war of words goes on, business continues as usual, and the Aam Aadmi suffers as they battle serious diseases. This landfill is not just a mountain of garbage, it is a monument to unfulfilled promises. From Delhi, this is Kartikeya Bhattacharya for NDTV.